Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to bring you a tasty and healthy alternative to a traditional doner kebab. This low calorie doner kebab is packed full of flavour and is perfect for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. So first of all I'm going to take 500 grams of minced beef, and to that I'm adding half a teaspoon of onion granules, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic granules, quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now we're going to season that liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper, and we're going to mix it up really well until all the spices are combined. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. So now we're going to spray a 2-pound loaf tin with some low calorie cooking spray, and to that then we're going to add the beef mixture, making sure to press it down. We're going to cover it with tin foil and put it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now for a little sauce, I'm going to take 4 tablespoonfuls of natural yoghurt and I'm going to mix it with 1 tablespoonful of mint sauce. We'll check for the seasoning and then we'll add a touch more mint sauce if it's needed. Remove the mince from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. And now it's time to serve. So we just served mine thinly sliced along with a mixture of salads and some pita bread. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please again don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. I'll see you in my further videos, and again, thanks for watching.